Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the messages and story replies section on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, click here on your profile icon and then click on these three lines, and then here we find this messages and story replies. Click on it, and here we have message requests and story replies. So as you see, if you want to manage this, message control, followers from Instagram, follow others on Instagram. Here we have who can see you are online, the activity status. Here if you want to show read receipts, turn this on or off, whatever you want. Here the nudity protection, you can turn this on. So that's it. That's how to manage this messages in the story replies section. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.